guys, don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 170,000 subs. Welcome to Amavenzo TV. It's the Patriot Premiership. Orlando Pirates 1, Siwela 1. I'm joined by Mr. Sizok Jona.
Emalume shooter.
Yeah.
Now umakhelwane.
Skok!
Steve come on.
Mnandi.
Malume shooter. Now umakhelwane.
Yeah, yakabamba umakhelwane. Hold the umbrella. What umbrella is?
I don't know if I should be sad, mad, frustrated,
or what?
cry. I don't know, Steve, happy, but
Yeah.
I choose to be happy, Steve, because
Yes.
it's the team that I love, you know.
Yes.
The team that I support, Steve.
Yes.
Not a beautiful game to us, Steve. A beautiful game to our opponents, Steve.
Yes.
Because of I feel like they came here for a draw.
Yeah.
I feel like they didn't come here to win the game.
Yes.
I feel like they came here to stop the Pirates. Steve.
Yeah.
A beautiful game, Steve, for Coach Wadu.
Yeah.
I feel like as fans and I'm a supporter, Steve, ngiti la kumele is playing.
Yeah.
I feel like Tuesday it has the game la kumele sikhuthaza team yethu khona.
Ngiyakubamba.
Silethe alive, Steve, you know. Angeke sithi expect namuhla ukuthi amajita babe great.
Sure.
You understand?
Sure.
Inceba Steve libhlungu, Steve. You know?
Blind.
If umuntu uyamhleka, what I mean is umahopo wafika la kule team Steve simbuka up.
Yeah.
Singamkhuthazi. And look at Mahopa now. Ngabangena siya screamer, you know.
Yes.
That's the spirit that we are supposed to give on Tuesdays, Tibo,
Wow.
where we like support the players, Tibo. Especially Mbutung, especially Spisi.
Yeah.
We know so Tibo Gutu Spisi at the first round he was not the regular player.
Yes.
Mugdala Mbogazi.
Yes.
You know. Then Mbogazi nyaluseka shidi, you
Yes.
know. Undaba naye umabasa simlunile. Asblame umuntu, Steve, asblame management.
Yeah.
It's how the team, the whole team, see ukuthi umabasa kumele abe loaned or ubani kumele aye kwenye team.
Yeah.
Because of singablame sikhomba abantu ukuthi khambe bondaba. I mean khambe abunda khambe abombokazi khambe abu mabasa khambe bosaling. But I feel like as a core, as a supporter, as a team, yithi laba kumele lead the team, you know. Without Tina Steve, team yeah first team. Ngoba bani pressure ningi Steve, especially league into ukuthi ilula Steve, especially Santoni ithatha for 7 years.
Yeah.
Akusilula Steve ukuthi ithathe this thing.
difficult.
It's very difficult. Steve. I'm not saying we're losing the league. I'm not saying we're going to lose the league. What I'm saying is I'm a supporter must behind the team.
Yeah.
We are the core. Yeah. If we could check ngangena dressing room Pirates, babhalile lapha, we do it for the families, we do it for the fans, we do it for us, you know, we do it for the badge.
Yeah.
This is the core, Steve. Kumele siqhubeke sithi phambili, Steve. Nanoma kabanzima ngakanani, Steve. Already sina 2 cups ebhekini, Steve.
Yeah.
Understand? I'm not saying we're not going to get this one, but what I'm trying to say is asiqhubeke ngale spirit business from the start, Steve. Siqhubeke si supporting team because it's difficult for them also, especially ngoba ama players.
Sure.
But coming to the game, Steve, well done to Coach Sema.
Yeah.
A bit difficult for Coach Wadu. I wanna congratulate the technical team yabo.
Yeah.
Because of badlale la Pirates milidlale khona, la miliphume khona, you know.
Yeah.
Ngikhuluma ngayo Sibelebele, ngikhuluma ngayo uReally, ngikhuluma ngayo uNdaba.
Yeah.
Undaba a bit disappointed. Primary mistakes. Mela phakamise inhloko umfana, you know. Because of likule yakhe la plus umuntu khona. You can't play a touchline if you know we can trapper on a speed. You can move without the ball, can move with the ball. Uhoto can play touchline in a speed.
Yeah.
Can trap the ball, can cut inside. Sometimes we moment. Now I thought today it came in Dava Vandag where angangena inside where angangena inside Numrim because of Ulgalsumrim Nundaba. He had speed. The speed till bangena inside.
Yeah.
Really maybe Adal outside again, outside again.
Yeah.
But it was a difficult game for Uri. No, I don't know lie.
Yeah.
Still, the league is not over. Still.
It's not over.
9 games left.
Yeah.
And yeah, congratulations to see my technical team Hispanile.
Yeah.
Yeah, so na September.
Kuzoba great.
In addition, Steve, I think the one thing I forgot to mention, Steve, I think the thing I always mention before starting on my interview, I think every time I always start my interview, I always say, if we don't take our chances,
Yeah.
we'll always be punished.
Eish.
How many chances are we going to? I mean, every game in the first 20 minutes of the match, we create a lot of chances, but they are not converted. Just imagine how many chances did we create in here? Just one.
Really bad.
Yeah.
I get you, my girl.
There's a saying that a tiny spark can ignite a mighty flame. That's the word of the day.
Thank you, SBB Dali.
Yeah,
Yeah,
I never out. Me and I want to shoot at some couple.
yeah.